Archana,
Barbara,
Camille,
Dave Anderson,
Panareo,
Pedro,
Diana Bancal.
India block train.
So far, I would say my most magical experience was in Nasik, this holy city. It was just wonderful. It was amazing walking around, talking to the locals, seeing like how they make the flowers, how they live the regular lifestyle.
It was just so interesting to see this like incredible area built into this like cave. I don't know how to explain it. It was just really fantastic to see.
It was really incredible. The market was really colorful and there was lots of interesting things.
Actually, the martial art performance, I think it was really impressive.
Speaking Portuguese, being to Goa was actually something very important to me. Being able to experience that on the other side of the world is actually, to me, that's actually something very meaningful.
Sindhu was fantastic. You know, being a guest of a royal family is an experience which you don't get every day.
I actually had no idea that you have something like this in India. I was really impressed.
I can truly say it's a luxurious experience, not just the service, but also the cultural experiences you get are unlike anything I could have ever imagined.
I feel at home because everyone is so welcoming and the food is marvelous and the service is like even more than 5 stars.
You cannot define India. You cannot say this is India because India is everything.